Hello? Alright, calm down, buddy. I know you hate your job, but so does everybody else. Now, what can I help you with? Okay, I'll be right there. Okay, where is she?
She? I have to hurry up and get these evaluations in.
You again? I thought I told you to stop acting up. Guess you couldn't get enough of me. Oh, I see. Looks like you're low on ink. I'll fix you right up. There you go, sweetie. All better. Your printer was low on ink. You need to take better care of her. She's a damn good printer. She deserves better than that.
Yeah, okay then. Anyways, thanks for coming out here.
Just watch the ink. She's a damn good printer.
How was your day?
More productive than yours, I'm sure.
What is your problem?
Maybe you're my problem. Maybe you're just not doing it for me anymore. Maybe I need a real machine.
No, whoa, whoa, whoa.
All day long, it's non-stop chatter. And then I come home to this. I should get a mechanical alarm clock.
No, whoa, whoa, whoa.
That's it.
Wait. We can fix this.
Too late. You're coming home with me. We're gonna be real happy together. I have a big surprise for you tonight.